Oh, finally home in a few days, and now let the adventure begin again. Now it's time to leave the tarmac for and getting onto a quite great gravel road actually for 30 kilometers or south of my destination. In spring. I'm looking forward to it because the sun is actually shining now, so hopefully there will be sun when I get there as well. It's promising at least. About gravel roads. Yeah. If you know, you know. Have the best tires for gravel, but they'll do. They make it. This is not too much loose gravel, so it's pretty okay. Slippery at all. More kilometers on this gravel road, and then we're entering a smaller one. I don't quite remember how far stay on that one until an even smaller gravel. Look at this landscape, actually it's quite amazing. Oh wow, look at this. Oh my god. road. Oh, fantastic. Grodkällan, the frog spring. Oh, I'm so excited. I really look forward to see this spring when the sun is shining. It shall be so green, almost glows. So just wait and see what it looks like. I'm really curious. Hope you guys are as well. Well, it's more crowded than the last time I was here. But we'll see. Time to leave the bike behind. This is actually a quiet night trail, the last kilometers or so. It's pretty hot. But hey, sun is shining. Well, that was the frog spring. Not quite as expected, but I got the sun. Some kind of, I don't know, it was not so clear this time. I don't know what happened. Some kind of algae or something new. Could be easy. Tarmac. I suppose there will be tarmac on the rest of this trip. Yes. actually sure where I'm heading, but I think I will head for the wilderness road. There might be some really nice views there and things to see. I've never been there, so let's head for that. See how far I get today. It's actually kind of getting late.